This is a massive turkey. Everything right in here. Right in the center of the cavity. Onion. Oh, lemon. Rosemary. Bay leaves. Just loosen the skin from the actual meat. Just lightly, okay? Work it. Just don't go all the way to the back. We don't want to loosen everything up because we also don't want that butter to fall out. So you see how I'm leaving a little bit of a gap in between this garlic butter right here that we've got prepared. So take it, lift up that skin, pop in the butter, bring that skin back over, and then gently just start pushing all the way down. I'll turn it so you can see exactly see how that butter is making its way all the way through. Side here. We've got that pressing all the way through. Come up this side as well. Make sure we're press in. Same thing. We're just going to gently press through. Press it and rub all the way around. Get that beauty. There's a little bit of olive oil because we want our skin nice and crispy. Man, the bird is going in the oven. Ooh, that's big. Gave it that nice blast of heat. We've got a little bit of crispiness on the skin, which is what we want. And give this a quick little baste. If we're doing a Gordon Ramsay recipe, we're gonna do it all the way. Bacon. Before that goes back in, we're ready to go back in the oven.